In Santa Clara County, 30,000 of the CalWORKs participants are children. And in Santa Clara County, something like 36,000 children are getting child care assistance through the various child care programs associated with CalWORKs. And so this is as important an issue as any community will ever deal with.
I was really worried and stressing, not being able to sleep, wasn't sure what to do. I kept on researching and getting different information from other agencies, and someone told me about CalWORKs. I went over to CalWORKs and signed up for CalWORKs. I was in CalWORKs for about 2 weeks, and I desperately needed some kind of finances. I needed to make some money, and so I went ahead and took a position as a manager at a retail store. And not working a full 40-hour week, making $12 an hour. My money had run out. I said to myself, I need to work for me and my son. I can't just make it on what I got. And so I was on child care assistance for about, through CalWORKs for 2 weeks. I started working, although I still wasn't able to pay for child care on my own. So I went on to CalWORKs' third stage, and they helped me with my child care. And I've been on child care with 4Cs for 3 years. And it's really helped me out a lot.
So like Jim was saying, you can count on us to be supportive of programs that support families, that support our children. And the CalWORKs program is particularly a critical program. So we really need to hear from you, because like Jim was saying, it's going to be very critical that we work together during these next several weeks to make sure that we prevent the governor from cutting the CalWORKs program and from decimating programs that help our families. So we want to hear from you, and thank you very much. It's a pleasure to be here with you.
I'm a single mom. I have 3 children. My girls are now 13 and 14, and I have a 7-year-old son. And I was on welfare, and I was on CalWORKs. And thanks to CalWORKs, I was able to go get my GED, and I went to this community adult school and went through their program to get secretarial training, and then I got the job that I'm in, and I've been there for quite a while, I don't know, almost 10 years. And I've been going to school, to college too, while I've been working to try to get a degree in communication, and I'm like 5 classes away from my AA now, so that's really exciting.
Thank you again for taking the time to come. That tells me right away that you are people of action. Is that right? So, even though we hear all of these statistics and all of this data that's coming out of Sacramento,
the impact immediately at 4Cs would be an increased demand on our case managers. Our case managers currently handle as many as 60, 70 cases per individual case manager, as well as our network staff. We also have a food program. So with a reduction in resources will add an increased demand for services, social services in its entirety. However, what the budget reduction will also do is limit us in terms of having the actual human capital, in terms of actual staff to do the work. So therefore, there was an opportunity for delays, lack of services, and actual potential cancellation of services.
A line of credit is called, and they will lend us the money to carry us out for the summer. Well, since the governor proposed to do away with all the programs, the banks are saying you don't exist. How can we lend you the money? So this is part of the problem. The other part of the problem is this. For all these years, we've been already pretty stressed on the possibility that you're going to lose your child care and possibly even the reduction of CalWORKs in terms of your payment. And many of you are worried of losing your job consequently. I was not able to ask my other partners, but we were able to run